Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to create a character like this. Before in my previous videos I have shown simple face characters. This is a complete character, how you can create something like this. So let us begin. So let's go and insert a shape, something like this, a new slide. Okay, something like this. No outline, give the skin color. Okay, so for your reference I'm just going to keep one character. I'm just going to creep it in here for you to so I'm just going to use only this one. Just copy this and paste it over here for you to just see how similar what we are going to make. So just making something like this. I'm going to insert shape, round, black color, no outline, and keep on just duplicating. Something like this here. Now this is how you make your hairstyle, so you can make it however you want. So the side one, just send it to back, to have something like this. So this side also I'm going to send it to back. Okay, something like this. Again, if you want to keep one here, it's possible. Something like this. So this is up to you. You can play around with. Another one is, now next you have to make the eyes. It's very small, so just going to enlarge this one so you will better understand. Okay, make it in a bigger mode. Small eyes over here. Okay, so I'm just going to take a copy of that, keep it over here, begin with bit down, and again I'm going to take a copy of that, shape fill with white, make it very small. So I'm just going to put it inside the eyes, something like that. Something like this. The next thing is creating the nose. So what you do is that copy this shape again, make a very small, give a color a little bit darker, or something like this. No, I think this should be fine. Or you want to get this color, just something like this. So here is the tricky part. So when you have this is the tricky part. Here you cannot create make anything like this predefined. So you have to just change that. So how you are going to do that? So let us make something like this, a bit long. Okay, I'm going to put it over here. So now go to edit shape, go to edit points, and from here slightly bend it over. Slightly bend it over. See? So you have to do this, just you have to just play around with it. You have to just make some adjustments. So it didn't come properly. So you have to go to the edit points and you have to just play around with it. So I'm just trying to play around with it, something like this. See, you got the nose, something like this. So the next part is, now you can make it longer. If you want, you can make it slightly longer like this also. You can just pull it. Now to make the mouth part, this is also a bit tricky. So what you have to do is that first take a round shape, okay. Copy this. I'm just making 3 circles, similar ones, and this one I'm going to give the color pink, okay. Just connect these two, okay. So just select this and select this, go to format, merge shapes, and go to intersect, okay. Now you need only the half of this black part. So how you do that? Now again insert a shape, something like this. To cut on this, we need a round, square one. This part, so something like this will do. Okay, so select this and select this, merge shapes, subtract. Okay, so put these two together and group it, and based on the face size, place it accordingly. Okay, just playing with the hairstyle again. Okay, so now again, so just I'm going to group it, just keep it along with the same height, something like this. Now you want a paler color, it's up to you, you can use different colors, you can play around with the skin color actually. Now again copy this part, just copy something like this. Okay, I'm going to use the dark color again, eyedropper, this one, send to back. Again I'm going to create a copy of this, something like this. Now I'm going to insert shape, something like this. Turn it over, sorry, I selected both, turn it over like this. You can adjust it accordingly like this. Okay, again no outline. So now give your shirt color. Now I've given this color for this if you want. It's up to you, you can give this color. I'm going to give this color for the time. Sure, I'm going to shape will with this color, or a darker, much darker color. Okay, now for the leg part, now what you have to do is again, insert this one, something like this, put it inside, copy this, put it inside, select these two, no outline, and choose the same color what we have selected now. I think we have chose this color. Okay, and we are going to use the half cut. So what you do is copy from here only this black one, make it slightly bigger, turn it. Okay, just put it over here, just put it over here. Okay, give a short color, fill, use the eyedroppers wherever you can. Okay, so here something like this. Okay, now how do we make the hand part? This is also something like this, make it very thin. Turn something like this, keep it over here, take a copy of that, keep it here, and again take a copy of that, and again tilt it, something like this. If you want to make it bigger, just pull it over here. See, take a copy of that, You can tilt in the same way, keep it over here. Now for the hand part, take a copy of face. Oh, okay, it's grouped, so okay, leave it. We'll take a copy of this and again tilt it like this. We'll make it very small, give the skin color. Darker color. That's too dark, I believe. We'll give something like this. Okay, we're going to put it over here. I'm going to make one more, very smaller, which I'm going to insert it over here. Make much more thinner. Okay, something like this. I'm going to take a copy of this again. You can see I take a copy of that. Something like this. Put it over here. That's it. This is the hand part. In the same way, just take a copy of this, repeat it. You have to repeat on for the other side. Okay, just make it very thin. Okay, take a copy of this, turn it here, take a copy of this, tilt it smaller, much more thinner, and place it over here. So this is how you play with your hands. So I'm just going to minimize it. I'm going to show you. And one more thing to do. Sorry, just going to align it. Just going to bring it a bit more down. Okay, make it a bit smaller so you can make this a bit larger. Okay. So now one more thing to do. Now that for the shoes, for this part again I'm using something like this, very thin one. Okay, shape fill with white, no outline, very small feeble one. Just going to make this bigger. Just going to do like this, make it very small, minute one. Okay, just put one over here and a much smaller one. I'm going to put it over here. So just copy these two to this shoes, place it over here. So this is how you play, create a character, something like this, very similar. Hope you liked it. And now you can see this is how wherein you can make your hands also something like this in a different way. Same shape, I can show you if you want for that one also. So I'm just going to duplicate this, I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to insert this one. Okay, for time being I'm just going to put it over the same height. So now for this one, again from here, what you do is that again insert a shape, a very small one, something like this. Okay, shape fill, eyedropper, this one same color, no outline. Sorry, no outline. I think the hand is too big for this. Just let me make it like something like this. Before making like that, just make the hand like this. Okay, and just put it over here. That's it. Now group. You have to tilt this also a little bit to adjust the hand, you know, wing to front. See, this is how we do this way. So this one, just group it. Just copy this and rotate it like this. Put your hand over here. Just rotate again like this. I think this has come a bit too much. A little more, like this. Yeah, I think this will suffice. Wing to friend. Okay, this is the way how we are going to make your hands big. Now I've introduced the gradient, effect for shoes and all. So once you are there, you can introduce those kinds of gradient effects. So click on this. So once you use this kind of gradient 3D effects, it will look better. So just going to shape will fill with this dark color, and I'm going to the gradients like this. Going to the FX, something like, you can try out the FX. See, this is the effect what I made for these shoes. So one more thing, spring to frame, make it smaller if you want, like this, yeah, something like this, wherein you can try all this option. PowerPoint has all these tools, for you to play around with. So keep trying, and hope you like this video. It's very simple, it's very easy. Please try out and let me know if you have any comments, and if you have any doubts, please let me know. And please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.